Okay, so we finished our install. So I'm going to show you what the headlights look like during the daytime. So here's what the car looks like at a distance. I'm loving the way these came out. Okay, so this is with just the daytime running light on. Okay, so if you click your switch once, you still get your daytime running light there, and you get these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little LEDs on the side with a little orange side marker. Okay, so that's what it looks like with that. Okay. Okay, so this is with the headlights on. You lose that daytime running light that was on, and you get the side marker, the LEDs on the side, and your main bulb there. Okay, so that's what it looks like that. So here's what it looks like with the brights. You get all the lights. So this daytime running light is a two-tone bulb that gets brighter. And then you have your LEDs on the side marker, and your regular headlight. You can see there. So that's what the bright's on. Okay, I'll show you what the blinkers look like. Okay, so this is the driver's side blinker with just the headlights on in the regular position. So that's what it's going to look like. And you can see it from the side as well. It has quite a reflection coming off the little bit of kind of blacked out chrome that's inside here. So you can see it from the side. Okay, so we'll take a look at how they look later on tonight. I'll show you some nighttime photos and stuff of them, and get some video of them at night.